We recently had a new client join our mastermind program, and he was a little bit overwhelmed with, what kind of equipment do I need? How do I get all this done? Where do I start? Do I need to? And the answer is, you probably have all the equipment that you need to get started doing video marketing in your pocket on your smartphone. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do. You can get a selfie stick. You can get a nice gimbal so it's all smooth for $150. But what you have is good enough. You can also use your webcam on the computer, record in QuickTime, do a little quick edit, and upload directly. So in 20 minutes, you can think of an idea, press record on your computer, on your desktop, talk into it, trim the ends, upload it to Facebook or YouTube, and you're done. Don't let equipment get in the way. Don't let anything get in the way. There are no gating items. What you can do is hold your phone out and talk into it, and that's a great start. And there's probably nothing wrong with that at all. So it's the message. It's the opportunity for you to be real. We've all been through this crazy pandemic stuff, and I think there's a real craving to do business with real people. So whether you're having a little jiggly cell phone or somebody's filming you with a camera, just be yourself and keep focused on that one person that's watching the video and say, hey, I love helping people that have a problem that's kind of similar to you. Let me tell you a little story. That's a good success. That's a good success. Man, I'll tell you, if you have a problem like that, a situation like that, I'd love to talk to you about fixing it. Just get real, get personal. Don't let anything get in the way. If all you do is a little selfie stick video, that is probably 10 times more than your competition is doing. And it's real and authentic, and your prospects will love it and turn into customers.